YouTube, this is going to be a really quick video, and this is just of my Christmas baby, and he's signed by Tristan Johnson from the show The Walking Dead. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't show too many of his details, but I just show a little bit of him. And this is my little man. You guys can see him, and you can see his little face. And I'll show his feet really quick. It's his little feet. You can kind of see some of his little details. And my camera doesn't pick up so well, but you can kind of see a little bit. He has lots and lots of details. And he's done beautifully. And that's his little face. If I can turn his head for you, and there's his other side. So he's my little zombie baby, and I love him. See his head. And this is Bubby, and I just want to do a really quick video, just so that he can say hi. My man. Alright guys, hopefully all you guys had a great Christmas, and I hope you continue to enjoy the rest of your day. And I have to go because I'm still in the middle of cooking a few more things. Just wanted to show Bubby. Alright, check you out later.